Chances are you'd fall into one of three people. Person A, you've tried making ads before, but little to no result. Person B, you've never made ads before. Or person C, you're a 7-figure guru and I don't know why you're even here. Either way, I'll teach you how to make high converting ads today. But first, we have to know a couple things about marketing. Psychology of marketing. We must know 3 things before we're launching ads: who our customers are, the state of awareness of their problem, and the awareness of our product. This is important because we need our ads to speak directly to our customer. For an example, let's use this neck cracker.
DF choked me out pretty bad, so I bought this. My neck feels way better.
Think of who our customers are. A mom, an athlete. Let's go deeper. It's probably someone who suffers neck pain, right? I would like to say your average office worker from looking at screens all day probably has neck pain. But are they aware of their neck problems? If so, they could be this type of customer. Person who is aware of the neck pain and is looking for a solution. Or, if they are not aware, we must introduce them to their problem. They have not yet experienced neck pain but are unaware of the hidden effects of bad neck posture, such as having a double chin or headaches caused by the neck issues. Now we have 2 main problems we can attack and provide a solution for. We also know who our ideal customer is since we have figured out the 2 common problems. Going along that, we also have 2 different angles we can test. The aware office worker who wants to fix their neck pain, or the unaware office worker who just doesn't want a double chin due to poor neck posture. Just a side note, selling to people who are aware of the problem is a lot easier. Thinking of it like putting in golf. You just tap it in and get the sale. Versus unaware people, that would be like driving from 300 yards away. Since we aren't Tiger Woods, getting as close as possible makes our job a lot easier. Hooks. The first 3 seconds of your video are the most important, but you already knew that. But how do we even make a good hook? The easiest way is just to name their problem. It would look something like this. You don't actually have a double chin, you just have bad neck posture. Your neck pain isn't caused by what you think it is. The goal of the hook is to make the customer want to listen to the rest of the video, but make it interesting because people subconsciously skip ads without even knowing. The solution to the problem. Since we have shown the problem in the hook, we need to provide our product as a solution. So as an example, we're going to be using, you don't actually have a double chin, you just have bad neck posture. Following that, we would go something like, a common misconception in having a double chin means poor health, but that is not always the case. It is commonly caused by poor neck posture. Lucky for you, there is an easy fix that only takes 5 minutes a day. Introducing the Neck Breaker 5000, putting your neck back into line with your spine, eliminating the double chin effect. Simply lie your neck back to realign your neck into its natural state. I just kind of threw that off the top of my head, but I wouldn't recommend saying neck 15 times, but. And as for what the video content should look like, just use examples of people using the product. Ideally, people that look like your customer. Finally, the call to action. Having a strong offer helps a lot by creating more urgency. So an offer like summer sale ends soon, or buy one, get one free ends soon, or whatever you can think of. But if you have a brand and you don't want to be throwing out crazy offers because it kind of ruins the rep of your brand, sometimes depends, right? You could use something simple as try it for yourself, hit the like button, or just shop now. That's even fine. I will make another video on the editing process and how to keep people engaged throughout the video, like some Mr. Beast kind of style. But for now, this is what it is. If you need any help, just DM me on Twitter. It's like @CDays here, somewhere right there, and I will answer all your questions. No worries. Hopefully this is somewhat valuable and worth your 5 minutes of time. Subscribe and peace out.